Are you looking for a natural, refreshing, and tasty drink that helps in weight loss? Coconut water is not just hydrating, it's a natural fat-burning drink that can boost your metabolism and help you lose belly fat. Low in calories. One glass of coconut water has only 40 to 50 calories, making it a perfect substitute for sodas and juices. Boosts metabolism. It keeps digestion smooth and helps your body burn fat faster. Natural detox. Coconut water flushes out toxins and reduces bloating. Reduces cravings. Its natural sweetness controls your sweet tooth without adding extra sugar. Hydrating and energizing. Rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, it keeps you refreshed after workouts. Nutrient-packed, full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that support overall health while you're on a weight loss journey. Best time to drink: morning on an empty stomach, or after a workout for quick hydration. So if you want to lose weight naturally, start drinking 1 glass of coconut water daily. It's refreshing, healthy and supports your fat-burning journey. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more natural weight loss tips.